Hello. So I thought I would do Saturday's writing tip for the week on video, because why not? And actually, I'm a bit shy about video and I haven't really done one before. So, here it is, got to start somewhere. So Saturday's writing tip is when you're writing, again, it doesn't matter whether it's creatively or whether it's for business content, but use all of your senses. Have a think about if you step into the story you're trying to tell, rather than just relaying the factual information of what happened, try setting the scene a little bit first, but don't use too many adjectives. Otherwise it's a bit of an overkill description wise. So instead, have a think about, first of all, if you were to step into your story, what can you see? And so have a look all around you, do like a kind of a 360 and just note down everything that you can actually see in that scene. And then have a think about what you can hear. Is there something going on outside? Is it, birds singing? Is someone playing music in the background? People talking? Write down everything that you can hear. And do the same with what you can smell, what you can taste. Perhaps there's a taste in your mouth, or perhaps it's reminding you of, there's a memory of a taste or something like that. And then finally have a think about what you can touch. So obviously with what you can see, it's what's immediately in front of you, but it could be something off in the distance. But is there anything in your immediate presence that you can touch? Right now I can touch this chair and my desk and my headphones, a lamp, so have a think about everything that's in the scene itself. And then pick out the details that you think will make it the most vivid, or with the simplest of descriptions and fewer words possible, will help the reader get a really clear picture in their minds of what's actually going on. But then the other thing is your sixth sense. Is there anything else that you detect, maybe a presence, or is there, that feeling of being watched? Just something to add in a little bit of mystery and get the reader to ask more questions themselves. They feel more engaged. So that's Saturday's writing tip. I hope you enjoy it.